Hi, Executive Chef Brad Martin here at the Riverside Convention Center, and I had the great pleasure to host Forbes Industry on their Trio folding table system that is a wonder to have in your operation. Here at the Riverside Convention Center, we love the ability to be able to take this cart and set up this action station of a deli buffet and make it easy for all of your table setup crew and for culinary to bring their food operation to drop down and set it in no time at all. With this cart, the ability, it has different tile systems that you can take an induction, a cold well, a carving station, all together at one time. It takes 3 minutes to set up these table systems to have a great presentation such as this. Like I said, today we're doing a deli buffet staging. What we have, I've got a soup set up, so induction cooking back here, all the deli sandwiches, cold wells, and the tile system is what makes it wonderful to make the benefits of the setup. You can turn this into an action pasta station, into an omelet station, appetizer tables. If you need to put your chafing dishes down, still can put your chafing dishes down on this table. Completely customizable to what your needs, your looks, your desires are. It's all American made here, Ontario, California, and we love it here at the Riverside Convention Center. Check it out, Forbes Industry, take a look at it.
Forbes Industries, the standard of luxury in motion.